Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. So today's video, I just wanted to film a little intro for a video that I shot over the weekend. It wasn't anything crazy. I just wanted to get out and be creative and practice. I haven't made too many videos and I've been wanting to, just progress and get better. So what I did is I took the drone out and I took my camera out and I just went to the local park to try to film a little bit of a sequence to put together. I kind of ran out of light, so I wasn't able to get as many clips as I would have liked. So the video kind of just ends. It doesn't really have an ending. It just kind of ends. So I wanted to share it anyway because I feel like I just need to create videos, post them, move to the next. There's a lot of examples and video creators out there that say, don't let perfect get in the way of good enough, and that you just need to crank out as many videos as possible to practice and get better, and then just progress and use those skills that you learned towards the new video. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. Just wanted to share this video. It's nothing great. It's nothing, that I'm super proud of, but it is something completed, well-ish, that I just want to put out and move on to the next. So just wanted to film a little bit of an intro for you guys, let you know kind of what's going on with this video. And yeah, appreciate you checking it out. So let's go ahead and run that video. So today I wanted to try to be a little bit more creative. I wanted to get out, use my camera, use my drone, use the equipment that I have, and just try to kind of film a little bit of a sequence. So I'm just at the park here, just kind of a, just the neighborhood park. Doesn't look like there's that many people here, but I am losing light pretty quickly. So I do at least want to get the drone up and fly it around a little bit. So yeah, just practice. I want to crank out videos and, appreciate you guys coming along, checking out this video, and let's get right into it. Let's go get that drone up. All right guys, so we're losing light fast here. It got pretty dark, so it's already about 5 o'clock, and in the winter it just starts to get dark really early. So I got a few shots. I didn't get anything too special that I was hoping to be able to get, but I just ran out of light too quickly, and I should have been out here a lot earlier. But I was able to get the drone up in the air, so at least that was fun, and feeling a little more comfortable, at least with different maneuvering, with different techniques and maneuvering the drone a little bit better. So yeah, that's about it. I think I'm gonna head back. All right guys, so as you can see, the video is nothing crazy. It's pretty basic. It's not too long. There's no fancy editing or anything like that, but it is something that is done. It's a video that I wanted to create. I went out, I took the shots, I put it together, I edited it, and now I'm posting it. So now that that's done, out of the way, I can move on to the next video and just kind of progress from there. So if you did like the video or you found any kind of use in this video at all, please hit that like button for me. And if you want to come along with the journey, I'm going to plan on posting a lot more videos coming up. So consider subscribing to see those future videos and the progression. So I appreciate you guys watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.